we did our damage by getting stuff from the gift shop.
That money.
It wasn't that bad. It could have been a lot worse.
It was under 200, but it was all stuff you can only get here, as far as I know.
So we're really excited and happy, and this is our one big souvenir splurge.
Pretty much, and what else we want to get, really.
Yes. Alright, awesome. So let's get going. Alright, say goodbye to Hobbiton. Goodbye, Shire's Rest. Goodbye, Hobbiton movie set.
I know, right?
Hopefully, we shall see you again in the future. You know what we're gonna have to come back and do is the Green Dragon dinner. Someday.
I'm sad we didn't get to do that. There's just too much food.
But then if we would have done that, we would have had to stay here, so whatever.
Would have had to.
Fine. I know this car park was like full of cars earlier. Now it's like quite empty.
You know, we'll come back someday with our kids.
Yeah. Hopefully you can come back someday with our kids.
Or just
Or our cats.
because they'll allow that.
Back in the car. Let's go to Rotorua, baby.
Okay, girl.
We'll see you guys there.
2 hours later.
Hello, guys. So we just arrived to our destination in Rotorua.
It smells like eggs.
It smells like rotten eggs.
Yeah, that's the soul.
Or like, you know those rotten egg gas bombs that people throw in high school? That's what it smells like, but it's like everywhere in this area.
Probably not that bad because we're not throwing up.
Yeah, it's not that it's not super strong.
It's like an egg salad sandwich.
It's just enough for you to notice, but it's not.
Eggs.
Yeah, it's like enough for you to notice, but not like to be too horrible.
So
and look, we're doing pretty good on gas. Like we've barely used.
Yeah, New Zealand has concocted magic gas.
This is the hotel that we're staying at today, which is a Holiday Inn.
It'll be better than the last one.
Which shall definitely be better than the last. Slightly.
You can say cheap.
Cheap. That's the word for a cheap hotel. Anyways, let's go see if we can get checked in and all that. So we just checked in, I should say, not booked in. I just checked into the Holiday Inn Rotorua, and I believe we got upgraded to a nicer room.
Because we mentioned
it was our honeymoon. Well, it's like you said, she brought it up, so.
Oh, you're here on holiday?
And she said, "Are you here on holiday?" And then I was like, "Well, no, we're on our honeymoon."
We're actually on our honeymoon.
So we might have gotten a nicer room on the 4th floor. And this is
we
John.
We can never compare because we never get to see the other one.
John's first time driving.
Right into the restaurant.
He's gonna drive just to park the car in a different location.
This is true, but it's an intro to try and get used to things. I mean, it really should be the same idea.
It is.
Other than I'm reaching for...
I told you! See? The first time I reached that way too, when you were like...
Did I say something nice to you the whole way about driving? I've been like your coach.
No, dude, don't turn here. Don't turn here.
No?
That says no entry. You gotta do it.
Oh, right. I see the arrow as well.
Good job, baby. So we just arrived to our hotel room. This is what it looks like coming in. To the left, you got the toilet, the restroom. Got like a bench, a TV.
Use the switch.
Maybe. I can't turn on the lamp.
Punch it.
I can turn on these lamps. Look at the little cute little switches. Oh, that's neat. That turns off the light back here. these cute tiny little switches. This is how you turn on these two. Looks like there's like a little reading lamp. Little overview of the room. And we got a little balcony. Whoa, how cool is that? Whoa, that's so cool. Look at that. Look at that.
It smells like eggs.
It smells like fried eggs now instead of raw
Well, now
eggs.
it constantly smells like breakfast.
Anyways, the plan for tonight is to get some food and figure out what we're doing tomorrow. There is a restaurant downstairs that we might check out to see if there's any food that I might want.
Yeah. Is that for us? Oh! Oh no! Enjoy your honeymoon.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
Oh, have a good night. Oh, are you still filming?
Yes, I got that.
Wow! Holiday Inn for the win! And that wasn't even staged.
That was not staged.
We
That
didn't ask for this. We should go down and say thanks.
we should. When we go downstairs and look for food. Oh my gosh, they have room service, babe.
Well, now I'm sold.
Woo! I don't know if I got that.
You heard it.
I heard it.
Yeah, bubbly for the newlyweds. Ta-da. Cheers.
Anyways,
Our honeymoon. That's what this is still ultimately about.
yeah.
I like the bubbly.
Anyways, I was about to check out this room service. See if there's Hey!
Ruined your shot.
Don't want breakfast. We want all day. We'll have to check out the food.
Oh, I found the beer.